Trump's latest decision affecting asylum seekers has triggered intense national debate, reshaping how the United States manages people arriving at the border to request protection. The new policy temporarily pauses most asylum claims, allowing only limited exceptions for severe trafficking cases, medical emergencies, and immediate threats to life. Supporters argue that the influx at the border has overwhelmed resources and that a temporary halt is necessary to restore order, reduce illegal crossings, and give authorities space to implement a more controlled system. Critics counter that the move undermines long-standing humanitarian principles by denying desperate people the right to seek safety, a protection embedded in both US law and international agreements. The policy increases rapid turnbacks at the border, meaning many asylum seekers will not be allowed to enter the US to make their case before a judge. Immigration officials now have wider authority to conduct swift removals, a process critics say leaves little room for proper screening or legal support. Families are facing uncertainty due to concerns over potential family separation and vulnerable individuals being put in danger. Legal challenges are being prepared against the pause, which critics argue exceeds executive authority and undermines asylum protections. Responses from local communities and border states are mixed. Some leaders see it as a relief to public services, while others worry it could exacerbate humanitarian crises. Neighboring countries are concerned about regional instability. Economists are analyzing the potential impacts on labor markets and diplomatic relations, with a historical recognition of asylum seekers' contributions to local economies. The policy underscores the ongoing tension between border control and America's identity as a refuge. As the situation evolves, the long-term effects remain unclear, with court battles and public protests anticipated. Asylum seekers in the US are experiencing rising confusion and fear regarding their claims, highlighting the challenge for policymakers to balance enforcement with compassion and security with humanity.